Whoa, wait a minute. Did you know that over 18,000 people in the US might have gotten sick from a tiny parasite hiding in something as innocent as shredded lettuce? And Michigan's been hit harder than anywhere else. But here's the twist, even after a major recall, cases aren't dropping as fast as experts hoped. Let me unpack why this outbreak is way more complicated than a bad salad. Okay, first off, the big news: Taylor Farms, a major supplier, recalled iceberg lettuce linked to Taco Bell and grocery stores. But here's what bugs me: why are cases still popping up? Michigan's health director, Dr. Bagdasarian, says some recent numbers are just delayed reports, not new infections. Still, even if the peak passed, this isn't over. And get this: hospitals are rationing tests because their labs are overwhelmed. So imagine having diarrhea for days, but never getting checked. That means the real case count probably way higher. Now, here's where it gets wild. The FDA's dragging its feet on tracing the source, and experts like Frankie Yanez are shouting, this isn't just one lettuce bag problem. New York and North Carolina are pointing fingers at cilantro and parsley. But why's no one connecting the dots? If Taylor Farms lettuce was irrigated with contaminated water, could that same water be poisoning other crops? Barbara Kowalczyk at GWU drops a chilling thought: 2 outbreak waves equals 2 tainted lettuce batches. But what if it's a systemic failure in Mexico's farms? Are we looking at a Pandora's box of contaminated water spreading parasites across multiple crops? And let's talk about the elephant in the room: America's public health system is running on fumes. Kowalczyk calls out the lack of funding for better testing tech, like real-time genetic sequencing to trace parasites. Meanwhile, Jennifer McIntyre explains how food supply chains are a nightmare to track. Brokers, distributors, cross-contamination, it's like a game of whack-a-mole. Even if you pull every lettuce head today, the damage might already be done. But here's my hot take: this outbreak is a wake-up call. Climate change is making water contamination more common, and our food supply chains are more globalized and fragile than ever. Are we ready for a future where foodborne illness isn't just a summer buzzword, but a year-round threat? Maybe it's time to stop blaming the lettuce and ask, who's guarding the gatekeepers of our food? What do you think? Is this just a freak accident, or a symptom of a broken system? Drop your thoughts below. And if you're still eating raw veggies tonight, maybe think twice. Or maybe I'm just paranoid. Who knows?